welcome back to another video. This is Panda Girl Gamer, and welcome back. Today is Wednesday, and I am playing the Animal Crossing New Horizon. But before I start the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and give this a big thumbs up. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do it. Okay, so I am playing. I'm here with Isabel. I was gonna say that. And it looks like my island changed to summer or whatever, maybe fall. It's September the 6th, Wednesday. Oh, she doesn't got any big news. If you hear a noise in the background, it's just my air conditioner because it is really hot outside. Like, the humid is very hot. So sorry if that's going to be noisy. I guess it looks like it's fall at my island. Well, it is almost fall here because it's September, so I don't blame it. So, this is going to be a short video, guys, because I'm using my Nintendo. Oh my god, my hairdo. Change. Alright, I gotta change my outfit. Anyway, I'm playing my Nintendo Switch Lite. And the battery's going to be probably dying soon, so I'm not going to make a long video. Alright, so I'm going to go change out these clothes. Oh my god, I got so many things. I haven't played my Animal Crossing for a very long time, so probably my villagers are like, where did she go? So I'm going to go talk to one of my friends first. Ugh, I can't catch anything. Oh, you're busy, sorry. So I'm going to go to the clothing store, buy a different outfit. Because it was supposed to be winter, and then it's not now. Can I get in here? Oh, come on. There's weed in there I can't get. What the heck? Oh my god. Look how many weeds I got. This is why I haven't played for some time. I'm feeling a little bit better, guys. I'm still recovering. I feel a little weak right now. I have to get my energy back. I think that's what being sick feels like. You feel weak and all, so I'll be having that for a couple days. But I'll try my best to, you know, be okay and stuff like that. So, yeah, COVID sucks. Alright, let's go. My friends, hello. I haven't seen you for a bit. Where were you, on vacation or something? Jeez, you should have told me. I was so, I was just a tenth bit worried. Aw, everybody missed me. Hello, everybody. I'm back. Yeah, I haven't played this for so long. Like, oh my god. Ooh, where's the clothing? Clothing. Ooh. That's like a tiger, dress. Hey, it's like caveman. Cool, I could be a cave woman. I'll be awesome. Hello. Anything cool? Not really. What the heck is this? Am I going to a desert or something? I have no idea. Alright, so we're going to change out, some cool clothes. I do like this, but it was for the winter. Okie dokie. Ooh. Oh, that's kind of cute, but I don't really need that. Ooh. There's a pink. I think white would be better. I need a shirt. Give me a shirt. Really? That's all it's got? Really? Okay. What the heck is going... No, I want shirts. They don't got anything cute. Like, really? Okay. Well, forget that. Fine, I'll just... Oh, No, I think I got clothes in my house I could change. Well, that was dumb. Alright, I have to go all the way back. I gotta get those fossils, but I'll get that later. I'm gonna go back to my house. I think I got so many clothes I could try on. Whee! It looks like summer for me, but Isabel was wearing like a fall shirt. I got so many flowers. Wow. Do 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 do. Oh no, I got cockroaches. Get back here. Did I get it? Did I get it? Nah. What the heck? Where'd you go? Got him. I got cockroaches in my house. Ew. This is nasty. They're nasty critters. So I'll go in my room. No! I got more critter! Where are you? Oh, I got it. Okay, so here... There's all my stuff. Wee. What do I want to wear? I don't know. I can't even move. Sorry, guys. Nope. What do I want? Ooh, I like the... No, I just want to go... Perfect. I'll wear this. What? No. What is... No! I just want to wear a dress. Where the heck is it? Well, this is dumb. I wanted to wear these. They will get me out. Boy. Okay, I gotta find some other clothes in here. My God. This is all my stuff. Oh, here we go. Let me see. Okay, I can do that. Do I have any cool pants or anything? I think so. I need shorts. Ah, there we go. I got shorts. Let's go. Okay. Where are you? Please be it. Please be it. No! What am I doing? Oh, I was wearing that. There we go. No, oh my God. No! It's just not my day. I think I got socks, don't I? There we go. Alright. Well, sorry guys if I have to end this short, guys, because my Switch is going to be dying pretty soon. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye for now.